Our new razor product, I'm pretty proud of that. For 13 years, we've consistently launched new innovative items. Launching today our fire-rated razor.
We can't keep it on the shelves, and it's not even on our shelves yet.
Any multi-level home, multi-level building, commercial or residential, is requiring fire rating to go into the home.
In the past, you would have something like this, which is a large steel casing, which you would have to insert into the ceiling. Inside of that, they would put a mounting plate, such like this. The beauty of this product, it's speed.
With this new setup, just drill a hole, even if there's stud or plumbing, it makes it a clean, easy install. As soon as you see it, you're a believer.
This has taken a couple years for us to manufacture, get it tested, 2-hour burn test. These are things that we'll spend a lot of time and energy on to make sure when it launches into the marketplace, our new fire-rated razor is the right product.
We revolutionized the marketplace by adding this product to the category.